Today, I'm going to show you how to use popular coffee equipment to brew loose leaf tea effectively and superbly. Coffee lovers, it's time for tea. So here I have 3 pieces of popular coffee equipment that I'm going to show you how to brew loose leaf tea effectively. We first have the French press. This is the most common and popular way of brewing a freshly ground coffee most people would have in our cupboards. The second is the AeroPress. So keen coffee lovers and baristas have told me that they're able to make a rich, smooth and full-bodied coffee from this little piece of equipment here. So I'm excited to show you how it works for tea. The third one is the Immersion Switch by Hario. This will be familiar to V60 lovers and it's also great for brewing loose leaf tea. So let's get brewing.